back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back. So today we're going to just talk, let's do a life update. Let's just get into this video. So this will be a monthly favorites video slash update video. So monthly favorites are going to be a little bit different here. This is going to be more like what I figured out or what I learned this month. Maybe I should do that too, because I've been wanting to make sure we focus on everything on my channel. As you can see, my channel is about lifestyle, beauty, and more. So we want to make sure we're including that and more lifestyle. If you've been following me for a while, then you know in the beginning of my videos, like when I started to post often, like my videos would be about hair, about makeups, like project stuff. And I want to get back into that because I really enjoy doing that. It kind of like helps me, you know, like as therapy for me. Like I say, makeup is my therapy. So I want to make sure I want to make sure my channel has direction. Like hair, makeup, and beauty, that's always gonna be my direction. But I also like to be creative. Like I can be very creative. And I used to do vlogs too. Like it wasn't like the best vlog, but it was a vlog, okay? So I want to try to get back into that. But let's just touch base on what we're gonna touch base on. So first we're gonna talk about beauty. So one thing I did learn and I want to do is I want to do a video where I'm actually breaking down each brush. So brush detailing is important because when you're doing makeup, and for me, I do makeup on other people or have clients, it's important to know the correct brush to use. In my last video, I kind of try to provide a few details in that video, but I want to go in and do a full out detailed video on brush, the proper brush to use. And I feel like that's important because when you're doing techniques with eyeshadow, and not just eyeshadow, with your face, any makeup that you do that requires you to use a brush or a sponge, any makeup appliances, you need to know exactly which brush to use or which tool to use. And I wanted to give you guys a detailed video explaining to you guys why and what you should use certain brushes for. For example, the certain type of look you want to achieve, you need to know which type of brush to use. And the more I continue to use different brushes or try out different products, I realize that it's good to know your brush technique. And that is important if you want to be a MUA, or if you're a makeup artist, or you just like doing makeup in general. It's good to know. So I definitely want to make sure I'm incorporating that with you guys. I also want to do like a little secret or hacks for this month, or what I learned to do that has been helping me. So one of them, y'all, I don't even know if this is like a good hack. This might be a little ghetto, but I had ran out of my makeup cleaner. And so I was like, what's something good that can keep my brushes still soft, still taking care of my brushes, but what can I use? And I was like, shampoo. I mean, I don't know if y'all already been using that out there, or if you got some feedback about it, why it may work and why it don't work, let me know. But I use it. I hope it works out right, but I thought of it as good. I've used it, I think about 3 times, and I haven't had any issues with my face. Cleans my brushes good. So I don't know if that's a pickup, something you want to take with you, something you may not want to take with you. For me, I'm still going to get my EcoTool makeup cleaner, but if I run out again, I have a backup. And I was like, that's something I could share because I didn't know. And so if I can learn something and teach you or help you guys out, I'm definitely going to share it. The next thing I want to share with you guys is that a lot of people have commented or reached out to me about my lashes on my bottom lash. Like they like how certain looks, it really pops out, and they want to know like, what's my secret? Like, how do I do that? And it's really not a big secret, but I'm going to share with you guys anyway. I use the Great Lash Maybelline product. Let me see if they say it on here. It do say, it says Royal Blue line. So let me tell you the backstory about this. Originally, when I purchased this, I did not know it was blue. I think I just got it because I don't know if it's a price, or I really do like Maybelline products as a good drugstore product. So I saw I needed some new eyelashes, mascara, so I purchased it. So when I originally got it, I was like, this is blue, but I still used it. But I was like, well, I'm not gonna take it back. I still need it. So like, what I'm gonna do? So what I found out, or just thought of to do, was use this as my mascara. Still use it as a mascara, but when I use it, get it to the thickness or the likeness that I want. And then once I do that, I would go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I would line the bottom of my lashes, which would make them pop and they would stand out. That's what I do for my bottom lash. I don't know if that's like a hack or to do. I don't know why that works like it does for me. I don't know if it does it for every color, but that's what I do for my bottom lashes. It pops out along with me applying a color on my waterline. But that is my trick. That is my go-to for my bottom lashes. That's what I do in order to achieve the bottom lash, okay? Period. Okay. Okay, y'all, so that's about the mascara. I hope that helped. And talked about, y'all had a little note. I talked about the brush detail video, mascara. I also wanted to share with you guys, I don't know if it's maybe just me that's late to the train, but I have recently been enjoying these Tree Hut exfoliating scrubs. I love their products because they smell like they have different smells, and it's really good. But y'all, I don't know if I just thought like basic scrubbing your body was good enough, but I think my hesitation by using different stuff like in my hygiene, because first of all, I'm not about to walk around messing up my pH balance. Second of all, I don't feel like, I mean, I use it now, but like, I just don't want to use something that may mess me up. I don't know. It's just like, I'm hesitant about using anything because I used to use Summer's Eve stuff, and then I was hearing stuff about you're not supposed to use that. And I'm like, listen, I cannot mess up my girl because you only get one girl and you cannot mess your girl up. So I'm just very hesitant about anything I use on my body, period, okay? Because you only get one. I ain't trying to mess that up. So, y'all, my face is so I've been very hesitant about that. But when I started using the scrub, I noticed the difference. So like my elbows, can you see them? Like this one is really good. But this one, I don't know why, it's like really dark in this area. So I have been really scrubbing that with that. And it's been like, because it was definitely darker than this, y'all. Like, I don't understand how I'm so light with dark spots. Like, but I've been looking at different videos, and I'm going to be trying different stuff. I even saw something about potato for the lighten up spots, because like my armpit area is like darker, and I was reading stuff where it says the type of deodorant you use, and like no aluminum, stuff like that. I've tried no aluminum deodorant. That's not for me. It doesn't knock me down, okay? So I can't use that, so that's not it. So I'm just trying to figure out different ways to help. I'm really trying to be a better me, but it's a process, y'all, because I look at my goal board and I still have not focused on anything about my weight loss. I haven't not taught anything. I just need to, my main enemy is consistency. Consistency is an enemy for me. And I know that, and I still am not able to fix that. So it's an issue. I just need to do better. Like, I know I need to do better with my weight because I know what I want to look like. I know how I want to be a big stepper like I used to be, but it's just harder now. But I really need to get focused. My birthday's coming up. I really want to do a big photo shoot and all this stuff like that. I have a look, and I just want to make sure that I can fulfill that look. So we're going to work it out, guys. Just be patient with me, but I'm going to kind of like shift some of things. So you may not see a lot of makeup stuff. You may see different stuff, but that's why on my channel, it shows makeup, beauty, and more. We're going to do some and more stuff, okay? So just be patient with me, y'all. And I'm going to come with you guys with another video because I am very disappointed in my Smile Direct, okay? Because the whole purpose of me doing that was to fix the spacing in my bottom, and they're still there. So I don't know if it was just me or if I don't know what I don't know. I don't know, but we're gonna get to the bottom of it. And guys, y'all like my nails? Your girl did them. If you have not seen my channel, I do nails as well. I do everything. I don't go to nobody for nothing. Okay, I do my nails, my hair, my makeup, all that. Just do my braids. I did all that. So I may start filming some videos of me doing my nails. I have a few older videos, but if you like the nail videos, want to see more, let me know. I'll show you more. But y'all, the real thing here before the end of the year is consistency with some outcome. Like, I need to be as consistent and start being accountable and start having an outcome. I can't want an outcome with no work. Okay, so it's about to get real. We about to start getting real. No, but it's about to start getting real, and I'm about to start being I don't want to say vulnerable, but being more accountable, I should say. I don't know why I thought vulnerable, but it's gonna be more in the lines of accountability. So with you guys, I'm going to be sharing a lot, showing a lot more, and I hope you guys are going to be down for the ride, because you know your girl shows it, tells it all, and I don't care. That's me. Ain't no ifs, ands, buts about it. Ain't no sugarcoating at me. I'm too grown for that. I'm getting older, y'all. I have kids, and I just got a lot of things that I want to show and I want to do for them, and so I'm taking you guys on a ride. I'm sorry, y'all, this video was a little bit everywhere. Like I told you in the beginning, this is just like almost like monthly times thoughts, like expectations, what you're gonna get, blah 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 blah. That's what this video is about. So that's what this video was about. I hope you guys enjoyed for the most part about what I provided to you guys. I promise y'all the next video we're gonna be more together, and I'm gonna provide you guys more updates and insight, and it's gonna more make sense. It's gonna be a better flow. I just want to get everything off my chest so the next video we could be clear, concise, you know what to expect, what's going on. But y'all, put some comments in the video. Let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all like. Are y'all ready to see the makeup brush video? Because that is gonna be very detailed. It may be even long, because I'm gonna be giving y'all play-by-play. Maybe not play-by-play, but just giving y'all why this brush is important to use and why this brush is not important to use. So I hope you guys enjoy that to come. But without further ado, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you watched this video and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload. And as always, y'all, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.